aggressive, and you're going to tingle. I took the liberty of taking out the batteries so that random things don't start turning on in the house. This is the Xbox controller. It's the Xbox One controller. It's a very refined button sound. It doesn't feel cheaply made. I can't break it with my own two hands. If you could, then a lot of gamers would be out because of how mad they get. I think there's a bit of creaking. Yeah, there's a bit of creaking in this one. You can tell this one's been used. I use it on my computer. If I'm playing a single player adventure game, or I'm playing a racing game like Forza or Need for Speed. That is the Xbox controller. Okay, we are moving on. We're gonna go on to a remote. We have another controller for you, but I don't want you to get tired of that, so we're gonna go on to a remote. This is the LG Smart TV remote. I don't know, man, that TV's pretty dumb. I don't know if I'd call it smart. Just do some tapping on it, just do some tapping. Okay, let's make some sounds with this thing. It has a like mouse wheel type deal. It has a dedicated button. Oh, excuse my chair. Dedicated button for Netflix and Amazon. And I have never used either of those buttons. It also has a microphone button. Microphone button. Which I've also never used. I believe I have used the power button. is a magic link button. Don't know what that does. There is a live zoom button. I don't know what that does either. Okay, I think we're done with this remote. Let me know how you like it. We are going to go on to the keyboard. Excuse me while I maneuver some things on the desk here. So we have an Acer wireless keyboard. We're gonna do some tapping. We're gonna do some button noises. We got it all. Let's see here. What do we got? We got a we have a ZZ button up here, which I assume is for putting your computer to sleep. We have some guy going crazy with a weed whacker outside, so I apologize. Okay, so we have the sleep button. Sleep, 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 sleep. You should sleep. I'm pressing the Z, the sleep button, so you should go to sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. We've got a magnifying glass button, which I assume is maybe a search. We have an internet button. Who uses that internet button? I think this thing is ancient. We've got a email button. A pause, a play, a skip, a rewind, a mute button. And check this out. This is pretty unique. This is how you change the volume up and down. So it's like a little slider. Okay, let's do some typing here. MegeeASMR. 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 ISTHEWORST. Let me know if you know what I said, what we typed. MegeeASMR. MegeeASMR. Okay, we are done with that. We're done with that. We're gonna go over to a mouse, and then we are going to finish the video off with the PlayStation controller. So this is also an Acer mouse, and I took the battery out, of course. So this goes with that keyboard. It was made in China, and I know nobody ever really gets anything that's made from China. I know that never happens. Ooh, that middle button. That's good. Let's mix it up. Let's do some tapping. And we're also going to do some clicking at the same time. Okay, we are done with the mouse. Mouse. Acer mouse. Acer mouse. We are going on to the PlayStation 2. PlayStation 2 controller. This is a relic. When I was younger, I thought if I kept my PlayStation 2, yes. I thought if I kept my PlayStation 2 that it would become worth something because it would be rare. Nope. I still have a PlayStation 2. It still works. I bought it in 2004. Well, my parents bought it in 2004. I was like 4, give or take. And man, did I play that thing. I played Midnight Club 3. I played Burnout 3 Takedown. Need for Speed Underground 2. Need for Speed Carbon. And I had some other more obscure games on there as well. I had like a Bakugan game, which is like a really old anime. I say really old, but like early 2000s. I'm not sure why I watched it. I don't really watch anime, but when I was younger, I apparently did. Let's see, I also had a Transformers game on there. I had Star Wars, Lego Star Wars, the complete saga. Or maybe I had that on Wii. I think I had that on Wii, but I definitely had the original trilogy. And the prequel trilogy. I think they had them out then too. And I also had the Revenge of the Sith. Revenge I wish I could